How to get a refund from Kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a refund from Kiwi.com. How can you get a refund? To get a refund from Kiwi is very simple. Just follow me as I put you through the procedures in this tutorial. And the first thing to do is to ensure that you have a Kiwi account already, just like I have here, and then ensure you log in. Now, once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next thing for you to do is to go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three dashes and then click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Then cancel this and then go back to your profile name and your profile icon and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a box to be displayed. In this box displayed, you'll see several options such as my trips, inbox, locked prices, price alerts, kiwi.com credit, refer a friend. Once you selected it and it has loaded, you will be brought to your trips page where you'll see all of the trips that you've made on all the trips that you've paid for on Kiwi. Now, at this rate, I'll let you know that I have not made any trips using my Kiwi account. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you will see all of the trips that you've made and you'll see the ones that you want to get a refund for. So just open the trip. Alright, once you open the trip that you want to get a refund for, scroll down and go to the changes and cancellations section. Alright, under this section, you will see other options. Okay, ensure you select the refunds and cancellations. When you select refunds and cancellations, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to do a lot of carry out some set of instructions. Ensure you carry out all of this, and then once you're done, you'll be able to get a refund on Kiwi. Now, another option is by contacting the customer care directly. All right, then how do you contact the customer care? You contact the customer care by going to your own page, and then on your home page by top right corner you can see the help and support. Okay, just click on it and then you brought to the help and support page where you can just ask your questions and then get answers on how you can get a refund from Kiwi. So this is just it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.